Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is worked properly, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and power saving and click on power saving. Make sure turn off power saving. After turn off power saving, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings. Click on reset. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is software update. Click on settings app. Click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe.